just chilling.
Yeah, National Geographic. That's a beautiful bird.
I think he tried to.
How in the hell he saw it from that far?
Oh, they can see from 100 feet.
Oh my God.
Did he kill something? Oh, he did.
It's like a snake or something, isn't it?
It's small. It fits in one.
Oh, it was a lizard. Already ate it. Ate the whole thing.
No, it's in the next one.
Or part of it, I guess. I saw the tail. Part of the lizard going into his throat. That's it. He's done looking for more, I guess.
See?
What is that called? It's just a hawk, eagle, or what the hell?
It's not an eagle.
No, it's not.
It's too big to be
a hawk.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks too big for a hawk. Kind of an eagle. Okay, goodbye.
It's a big one.
Left. All right.